Hi, this is my 2-minute video on Mendel's laws. Gregor Mendel was a scientist and a monk who often worked with plants. Here's an accurate portrait of him and his hairline. He's known as the founder of the modern science of genetics. Mendel discovered a lot about heredity through his rules of inheritance, which we can learn through these green and yellow peas. Alleles, a form or variations of a gene, are represented by a letter, such as big Y and little y to represent a yellow pea. The dominant allele is represented by a capital letter, and this will be the allele that shows up. The recessive allele is the lowercase letter that will only show up if there's no dominant allele present. Genotype is the genetic makeup or combinations of alleles. For instance, our big Y little y is a heterozygous genotype, meaning the two alleles are different. In this case, it only took one dominant allele for the yellow trait to show up, making the recessive green allele hidden. Other possible genotypes are big Y, which is homozygous dominant, and little y, which is homozygous recessive. Phenotype is the physical trait that we can see. Now we're ready to make our Punnett squares. So first we're going to have our yellow mom be big Y, homozygous dominant, and our green dad is going to be little y. We'll go ahead and fill in our squares, and it looks like the offspring will be heterozygous yellow. So we're going to keep these two and use these for our next example. This time both yellow peas are heterozygous. So we'll fill in our squares again, and now we have a quarter chance of a green pea. Here we have two possible phenotypes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.